His Royal Highness Prince Africa Zulu has taken full advantage of his institutional relationship with the UPHONGOLO municipality in engaging with stakeholders to assist in improving the region's economy. Prince Zulu believes that youth empowerment in sport and the arts are critical in achieving this goal.
We felt that we need to partner, not just UPHONGOLO. We have worked with a couple of members of our stakeholders, society, who are municipalities at different level and different part of stakeholders. We have worked with them with the belief that we know that sport and art is the key. These two are the main critical things that I so believe in, because I know it will bring about a positive future and a positive world, because the youth only understand the activities that addresses their energy, and sport does just that.
Serving as motivation, encouragement and inspiration to young boys and girls, Natasha Kuduga and Amanda Swatboy gave selflessly of their time to be part of the UPHONGOLO Mayoral Cup. They shared some inspiring words with youngsters.
These kids, they only see actresses, soccer players only on TV, and they believe that they can't make it because they're from rural areas. But if we go out there and show them that it's not only, they can also reach their dreams. I groom young ladies. I talk to them. I always tell them to go for what they want. Yes. And now working with the mayor and the prince, they say it takes a community to raise a child. So this is what's happening this weekend.
I got invited to this event to help with kids that are in need of a better future, maybe assistance. And as an entertainer and a speaker myself, I would say that sport and music go hand in hand together so that kids don't drift off the path, and they need something that's gonna bring them to do good things. And if we combine those two, then kids will be happy to come. And remember, kids like to play.
The children, more especially the young ladies, were more than thrilled to be in their presence.
Siyabonga ukuthi sikhonile ukubona amanye ama-celebrate ebe nathi lana sijabulile, kuyasikhuthaza kakhulu. Kufuna sifunde more ukuzopractice lana nokudlala khona sobona abanye futhi abaningi nalabo sibabone namuhla. Ngiyathemba nabanye ngekho lana nabo bazokhuthazeka ukuthi nabo bekhona ukuza lana nathi.
Ukubona ama-celebrities lana kungenze ngajabula, ngabona nathi sibalekile siwumasipala, amasipala asikhombisa ukuthi uyasithanda. Ngajabula ukuthi nabanye ama-celebrities afike azosibona, because akhombisa ukuthi nawane endaba nathi ukuthi engadela isikhathi sawo efike lana ezoba nathi nje ukuthi ebe around, and lokho kusenza ukuthi sizinje siphile si-special.
As it was Women's Month.